I'm Jenny from Garden Nest Living. Today I'm sharing my comprehensive guide on how to successfully incorporate indoor plants into your home decor for a healthier, more stylish life. Drawing from over a decade of experience styling my Georgian home, I believe plants are essential elements for creating a lived-in and healthy environment. Health-wise, plants like snake plants and peace lilies actively filter indoor toxins, following the principles of the NASA Clean Air Study. Aesthetically, they introduce unique textures and vibrancy. Large leaf varieties provide bold energy, while vines soften sharp lines. Beyond air quality, greenery creates a calming energy and serves as a natural focal point that can reduce stress and improve focus. Selecting the right plant is key. For beginners, I recommend set and forget varieties like snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants. If you have cooler or darker rooms, the aspidistra or cast iron plant is practically bulletproof and very forgiving. For a design upgrade, consider statement pieces like myrtle topiary or a black olive tree, which require more precise care. Don't be afraid to start with high-quality faux plants to gain confidence. They offer that fresh vibe without the maintenance anxiety. To move beyond scattered pots and achieve a curated look, let's explore some of my professional styling techniques. I always advocate for grouping plants in odd numbers, 3 or 5. This creates a much more natural and eye-catching arrangement. Start with a star focal point, the tallest plant. Add medium-sized fillers, like ferns, and finish with trailing vines to soften the look. Contrast your textures too. Combine different leaf shapes and pot materials, like terracotta and woven baskets, to add depth. The golden rule of design is right plant, right place. Always match your plant's lighting needs to your space. South-facing windows are ideal for sun lovers like succulents, cacti, jade plants, and even olive trees. For low-light corners, defined by where you can read without a lamp, hardy pothos and snake plants will thrive. In small rooms or kitchens, go vertical. Use hanging planters and wall-mounted shelves to add greenery without cluttering floors. Match plants to your interior theme. Use monstera and macrame for a relaxed boho effect, or architectural plants for minimalism. For a minimalist look, architectural plants like the bird of paradise in sleek concrete or matte black pots act like living sculptures. Traditional homes look beautiful with symmetry. Try twin orchids or palms flanking a fireplace in classic ceramic pots. For maintenance, always use saucers or trays under pots to prevent water damage to your beautiful wooden furniture and floors. Remember to rotate your plants as the seasons change to capture shifting sunlight and ensure they continue to flourish year-round. Herbs on a kitchen windowsill are pretty and practical decor. Try oregano, mint, or basil for a fresh scent and utility. My own journey started with a single orchid gift. I encourage you to give yourself permission to fail. It's how we learn. Transitioning from faux to fresh is a process. Build your confidence through research and start with those hardy, reliable varieties. Start small and let your indoor jungle grow. For more tips, visit gardennestliving.com and follow me, a Garden Nest Living. Happy planting!